pre-scheduling your videos on Facebook and you've had issues with getting the link for your video ahead of time, I'm about to blow your mind. This has taken me about 3 weeks to figure out, and I've not heard anybody else share this, and I am so stoked to be able to share it with you. So if you're not aware of what the issue is, the problem is what's happening with live videos is when you schedule them ahead of time, you used to be able to, once I can scroll down on my page, you used to be able to have this link that was generated ahead of time, right? And when you'd click this little timestamp right here, it would open the link. And this link up here would be the link for your video. What was great about that is you could then send the link for your video out anywhere ahead of time, and the video would actually happen right here. Unfortunately, what's happening now is it's giving you this link that's facebook.com/your URL/ or your whatever, your slug, and then posts. It's supposed to say video right here. This has been causing all sorts of issues. What ends up happening is, I'm so excited that I found a solution. So what ends up happening is it creates this little extra post. So when people go to that extra post, they're super confused because they expect it to be a live video. And instead, what it actually is, I'm going to show you one. I think I have one that Kelly, my awesome director of education, did a video yesterday, and I think I can show you hers. Come on. Okay, so that's her video. This is what it created beforehand. And then it's like very confusing to people. So they come here. If they click this button, it will actually take them to the live video. But it's not what we want to happen because we don't want this to be shared. We want the video to be shared. So watch what you can do. If you scroll all the way up to the top of your page, you'll realize there's this thing that says upcoming live videos. It's a little different than that announcement post. And did you see what happened when I scrolled over this? So I'm going to show you my process for this also. When I scroll over, I'm going to move my face for just a sec. When I scroll over this, do you see the bottom left hand of my screen? That is showing you that a link is available. Do you see the very bottom left hand? It says business.facebook.com, all that. So I click on this. It says, sorry, this content isn't available right now because you haven't actually gone live yet. But what you're able to do, and I'm in the business manager, so I am not going to take that business part of it. If you take this, that actually is the link to your live video. So right before you go live, what we do is so when we first schedule the video, we use Rebrandly. So let me just show you the whole process because I'm about to do a live video and I'll do it for myself. So I use Rebrandly, which is a tool that I learned about from Kelly Noble Mirabella, and I love it so much. So what I do with Rebrandly is I actually, at first, I'll create a Rebrandly link. I'm going to click on this little guy again to get the link to this post. So ahead of time, I can send people to this post. And the way that I do that is I come up, I've got Rebrandly installed as a Chrome extension. I just click right there, and then it pops this up right here. Now, because I'm in the business manager, I do need to remove this business part because that's kind of weird to send that to people. And then this is the link for the post. So I can say AMA 10/9 because that's, I'm doing an Ask Me Anything video today. So I can create that. Now, ahead of time, when people click on that link, watch, if I copy this, people click on this link, it takes them to that post, which is great because that post, such a good other thing I wanted to show you. That post allows it to say, get reminder, all of that. You'll also notice, did you see the size of this photo changed? What the flip? Thank you, Facebook, for making things so amazingly confusing. So we have a whole new photo template that we're using as well because the photo just changed. It used to be bigger than that. My head was not cut off before. So we're making sure the text on this image is going to be right in the middle of this section so that it's viewable no matter how people click it. So people can then come here, they can click get reminder. We could even have a bot set up below this where if they comment below this post, they get they get more information. I didn't do that on this one because it's just a random video that I'm doing. But right before I go live, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Rebrandly. I'm going to open Rebrandly again, log into Rebrandly. And inside Rebrandly, I already have all of these links set up. And so inside Rebrandly, like these are all other links that I've created for different videos and such. This one though, right here, I'm just going to click edit and I'm going to change this post link to be the video link that I showed you before. So I'm going to delete this, the whole thing. I'm going to delete it. I use another extension that I'm obsessed with called the Clipboard History Pro. I'm going to click on that and I pull up. I had already copied that video link before, so it's saved to my clipboard, which is pretty dang awesome. It's like my most favorite tool ever. Like that. And then I can add the HTTPS at the beginning of it. Right? It's going to go to facebook.com/videos. So as soon as I actually go live, this is going to work. So right before I hit that go live button, this is the last step that I'm going to do. I'm going to forward it over there, boop, and then I'm real quickly going to go hit the go live button. So the chances of someone getting to that broken link, very, very, very slim, right? Rather than trying to have to update this link while I'm live, which is what I've been doing. And honestly, I'm really good at multitasking, but it's been a little confusing. Also, what happens is if you use this, if you're using, another shout out for Kelly, if you're using Kelly Noble Mirabella's share strategy inside the bot, if you use this, like what you can do is you can actually go in to the bot and swap this out at the last second also. So that way when they're sharing something, they're actually sharing your video instead of sharing some other broken post that doesn't actually do anything. So this link I'm not going to go into the share strategy here. Let me know if you want that. I can send you her training on that, but you can replace the link in the share section with this video link as well. Because you have the link ahead of time. It just doesn't work until you actually go live. All right. I hope that is helpful if you were stuck in this tricky place. If you're like, what the heck is she even talking about? I don't know. I got you, boo. No worries. Just let me know. Say, I don't know, just post that you want more information on what the heck I'm talking about. Okay, wherever I'm sharing this, I don't know, let me know. And we got you. Go to molly.live. Actually, that's the best place to go. Go to molly.live and you'll find our full Map to Millions starter kit. It's a masterclass, a bunch of different stuff, a video content planner to get you started from the beginning. Okay. Talk to you soon. So good. Yay. Bye.